Hey guys, I'm Kyle. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel LinkedIn premium subscription. So let's get started. So here we are in LinkedIn, and as you can see, I am currently in the premium subscription here in LinkedIn. So to cancel my LinkedIn premium subscription, all I have to do basically is just click on see your premium features. So you want to click on this one right here. So click on that. And from here, you can see that you have the premium account and features. And from here, you want to click on the subscription details here and click on manage subscription right here. And now it's going to take a while to load. And from here, you can see here, hi Kyle, and purchases, premium career is currently active. And then you can see all of your transactions right here. And then you can go for view all right here, and then you can see your premium carrier. So this is the current active subscription that you have that you would want to cancel. So click on this one right here. So when you click on that, you would be able to see more details, and then from here you would be able to cancel this by clicking here on cancel this subscription or free trial if you are currently on free trial. So all you have to do is click on this one right here, and then after that LinkedIn would prompt you with this one. So to cancel subscription, you would lose all of this, and instead you would have the basic one. So you can click on continue to cancel if you really wish to cancel your subscription. And after that, LinkedIn may ask for your LinkedIn password before you can proceed in canceling the subscription. But this is basically how you can do this. I won't be proceeding here into cancel because I don't want to cancel my premium free trial as of the moment. But that is basically how you do it. Thank you for watching.